Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai fi baro kini long ki khubor bam tasni. Menteri ramba kajala u konrad ke sama ulaya datang ya u advocate general ke Meghalay u Amit Kumar. Hapadang kajindawa jong ki kanhun nong yesai ain banwang no u nagakam. O konrad ula ong wala da utip kelum ya kate ke kam henrei kwa banrung sya kejintip ke babenia. Kejinya tai ne kidau ke balapan longi ki nong yesai ain banbe kam ya kate kejindawa. Kajala Meghalay ka donbok shisha banyo u Amit Kumar kum u advocate general laong u menteri rangba. Wala ong baki menteri sarkar ki he officer ki ba dang syakri bat ki ba lasong thairu kila ban sakhi ya kajin no asniang jong u Amit Kumar sya ka sarkar jela. Katkum kajin ong jong u konrad u Amit Kumar ulai lam lenti ya ka sarkar ha ki ba bon ki kam ain. Ki ba kongsan bat ki ba juat. Ulai rap ru ya katna sarkar bat ki officer ban light na ki ba bon ki jing bat ki jing tenju ha ka liang ka ain. Ula syakri da ka mensim. Kajing kit kli bat kajing IT lot nak benta ka jela bat uya upai ba. Bon ki kam ain jin dala nang juat shushu lada syam ladon ban yarap bat yalam lenti laong u konran. Menteri rangba ula ban rap ba u Amit Kumar udon kalat ban leitrei bat ban yasai ain lai lut ha ka Supreme Court ni hakan no ka benta jong kari. Henry ula jet ban ai ya kapor ka ba kordor jong ka kam yasai ain jong unak benta ki pai ba bat ka sarkar Meghalaya. Ngiso komen bat sungu ba u Amit Kumar ula jet ban yai dorengkat bat ni bat ban syakri ya ki pai ba bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ong u konran.
Well, I have not gone into the details of the different aspects of. I know roughly what it is, but I have not gone into details of the statement made and what was the the arguments that were going on and the discussions that were going on. But all I want to say is that the state of Meghalaya is very lucky to have a person in the form of Amit Kumar as our AG. And you can ask any of our cabinet ministers or any of the government officials, those who have retired or even the ones who are serving now, that that Mr. Amit Kumar, with due respect to all the other states and all the other AGs and our own AGs in the past, that we are very lucky to have a person like Mr. Amit Kumar as our AG. And he's a person who has worked very dedicatedly for the state and its people. He has guided the state government in many crucial matters where things could have been very complicated if he was not there. He has resolved many problems in many departments, helping many officials and departments overcome a lot of legal problems and hurdles. And he's done it with a lot of passion and dedication. So therefore, I don't want to go into the merits of what is the demand and what is in what they have said. But as I said, from my point of view, I said we are very happy and we are thankful that Mr. Amit Kumar has decided to always be with us. He has choices of being in any part of the country and being in Delhi in Supreme Court and practicing independently. But he chose to give this prime time of his to the people and to the government of Meghalaya. So I think we are very happy and we're thankful for that.
Thank you, sir.